In this video, I'm going to take this block of wood and this pattern that I created in Inkscape. I'm now going to build a box shaped like a C with 2 drawers. Well, this is my attempt to make this 2-drawer box out of a C, the letter C. And we'll call it a C box, like I've been calling the others the A box and the B box. And this one, though, got to do a little different because I want 2 drawers, and they have to be within range of cutting depth for the scroll saw. So my plan is, first of all, I've got a backing plate on there, just temporarily glued in the corners, and I'm going to cut the outline first, just all the way around. Should be a simple cut. And then I'll take that board off, and then I'm going to cut through here. And this is going to be a drawer, and this is going to be a drawer. And you see these little designs in here, that's something that's kind of going to be like a jigsaw puzzle piece to hold that up. That's not probably not going to cut that out there on the end. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm just going to put a little piece sticks into the C in a little groove so that it'll hold it up when you pull the bottom drawer out. Don't know if it's going to work. You may not even see this because it may fail on me miserably and I'll have to go another direction. But that's my plan right now. So I got to get to the saw. I'm going to get me a number 12 super skip tooth blade, and I'm going to cut the outline, and we'll go from there and see how it works. So there is the C box. That's the finished version. I'm somewhat happy with it. Pull that bottom drawer out. The top drawer still stays in place, which was kind of the problem I had to solve. Made these little spots, a little puzzle piece there that fits in there, holds it up. And they both come out and slide very nicely and easily. And that one will bind a little bit if you don't get it exactly straight, but it pretty much works very well. So if you like that, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, well then subscribe and see what I'm going to do with the D box and all the others. So that's going to be it for this video. Turned out better than I thought it would, but I'll try to improve as I go. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.